Excuse me, is this chair free?
Yes, it is. Please take a seat.
Thank you very much. The cafe is very busy today.
I agree. Everyone wants to sit outside.
My name is Kate, by the way.
Nice to meet you. I am Liam.
Do you come here often, Liam?
Only on weekends when I have some free time.
I love their blueberry muffins here.
I prefer their chocolate cake. It is delicious.
The coffee smells wonderful this morning.
It is the best smell to start the day.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, I'm just relaxing with my drink.
It is a perfect spot for people watching.
That is true. The street is very lively.
I see you have a professional camera.
Yes, I like taking photos of the city.
That sounds like a very interesting hobby.
It helps me to see small, beautiful details.
I usually just take photos with my phone.
Phones are great for quick memories, too.
Do you live in this area?
I live just 2 blocks away from here.
That is very convenient for morning coffee.
What about you? Do you live far?
I live near the park. It's a short walk.
The park is lovely in this season.
I walk there every single morning.
It is a great way to stay active.
The weather is much better today than yesterday.
Yesterday was too windy and cold for me.
I had to stay home all day because of the rain.
I like the rain when I am inside with a book.
That sounds very cozy and peaceful.
But the sun makes me feel much more energetic.
Look at those white clouds. They look like cotton.
Nature is the best artist in the world.
Do you think it will stay warm tomorrow?
The forecast says it will be 20 degrees.
That is perfect for a long walk in the forest.
I hope the wind stays calm.
I'm glad I didn't bring a heavy coat.
Your light shirt is perfect for this temperature.
I like your yellow scarf. It is very bright.
Thank you. It is my favorite color for spring.
Spring is definitely my favorite time of the year.
Everything is so green and fresh.
Do you have a garden at your house?
Only a small balcony with some flowers.
Flowers bring so much life to an apartment.
I have some red tulips and white daisies.
Daisies are simple but very beautiful.
My grandmother used to grow them in her garden.
It is nice to have such pleasant memories.
The sun is quite strong. I need my sunglasses.
I forgot mine at home today.
The shade from the umbrella is helpful.
Yes, it is much cooler here under the roof.
Let's enjoy this beautiful sunny hour.
Write 1 English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
So, Kate, what do you do for work?
I am an English teacher for young children.
That must be a very rewarding job.
It is. Children are very funny and smart.
Is it difficult to keep them focused?
Sometimes, but we play many games.
Learning through play is a great method.
What about you, Liam? What is your profession?
I'm a graphic designer for a small company.
Oh, so you are a very creative person.
I try to be. I design logos and posters.
Do you work in an office or at home?
I work from home 3 days a week.
I like the idea of working in pajamas.
It is comfortable, but I miss my colleagues.
I understand. Social contact is very important.
Do you work at a big school?
No, it's a small private language center.
That sounds much more personal.
Yes, I know all my students very well.
How long have you been a teacher?
For about 2 years since I finished university.
You look like you really love your job.
I do. Every day is a different adventure.
I feel the same about my design projects.
It is great to love what you do.
Many people are not so lucky.
We are fortunate to have interesting careers.
Designing is my passion and my work.
Teaching is my passion and my life. Have you tried the new bakery on North Street?
Not yet. Is the bread good there?
Their croissants are the best in the city.
I will go there tomorrow morning then.
You should try the one with almond cream.
Thanks for the tip. I love almonds.
The city is changing so much these days.
Yes, many new cafes and shops are opening.
I like the new bookstore near the cinema.
They have a very large section for art books.
I spend too much money on books there.
It is a good investment for your mind.
Do you go to the cinema often?
Once a month if there is a good movie.
I prefer watching movies at home on my sofa.
Home is more comfortable, but the big screen is better.
That is true, especially for action films.
The local park has free concerts on Fridays.
I didn't know that. Thank you for telling me.
The music is usually jazz or soft rock.
I love jazz. It's very relaxing.
We should go there sometime. It's fun.
The evening atmosphere must be great.
People bring blankets and sit on the grass.
I will bring some snacks and a drink.
The town is small but never boring.
I agree. There is always something to see.
Friendly people make the place special.
Like you and me chatting at a cafe.
It's nice to have a friendly talk.
Do you like traveling to other countries?
I love it. I went to Italy last summer.
Italy is beautiful. Did you visit Rome?
Yes, the history there is incredible.
I want to visit Japan next year.
Japan is very high on my list too.
I want to see the cherry blossoms in spring.
That would be a perfect photo for your camera.
I will need many memory cards for that trip.
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a little bit of Spanish.
Spanish is a very musical language.
And you are an English teacher, of course.
Yes, and I am learning French at the moment.
French is very difficult, but very elegant.
The grammar is the hardest part for me.
What else do you do for fun, Kate?
I enjoy cooking for my family and friends.
What is your best dish?
I make a very good vegetable lasagna.
Lasagna is a very popular comfort food.
I also like hiking in the mountains.
Hiking is great for clearing the head.
I find my best ideas when I am walking.
Nature is very inspiring for creative work.
We have so many things in common.
I was thinking the same thing just now.
It's rare to meet someone so interesting.
I am glad I chose this cafe today.
Me too. It was a lucky choice.
My coffee is empty. Time flies quickly.
I finished my tea too. Our talk was great.
Would you like to meet again sometime?
I would love that, Liam.
Maybe we can go to that jazz concert.
That sounds like a wonderful plan.
Let me give you my phone number.
Great. I will send you a message.
I can show you my best city photos too.
I am very curious to see them.
Are you busy tomorrow afternoon?
I have a lesson until 4 o'clock.
We can meet at the park at 5.
That is a perfect time for a walk.
I will bring my camera and some water.
I will bring some of those almond croissants.
You are a very kind person, Kate.
And you are a very interesting neighbor.
I'm happy to have a new friend here.
Friendship is the best thing in life.
I have to go to the grocery store now.
I am going to the library to find a book.
Enjoy your reading. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Have a good time shopping.
I will text you later this evening.
I will wait for your message, Liam.
Goodbye, Kate. Have a lovely day.
Goodbye, Liam. See you soon.
The sun is still shining. It's great.
A perfect end to a perfect talk.